Hello and welcome, Greg here from Crewe Volkswagen dealership, proudly showing you today this brand new Volkswagen Golf R in Grenadilla black metallic paint. This model benefits from a number of factory fitted extras, so make sure to check out the description below. Key highlights will include stylish IQ Light Matrix adaptive LED headlights in the front with illuminated grille and logo, whilst on the side, optionally upgraded 19-inch Estoril black alloy wheels with blue brake calipers will also stand out. In the rear, there are also 3D sequential taillights with animated lights, and there's even an upgraded panoramic sunroof for the summer months, whilst the boot space remains as practical as ever in a Volkswagen Golf with 60-40 split seats. Inside, the bespoke R upholstery will also stand out with these blue accents, unlocking seating for 3 with their own chargers and climate control, whilst in the front, decorative door and dash insert will grace the cabin and these front bucket sport seats. The driver can enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel with larger paddle shifts and bespoke R digital cockpit. Customizable dials are on offer to display the likes of adaptive cruise control, satellite navigation, and for the colder weather there's even a heated steering wheel. Center 13-inch touchscreen is an absolute joy to use with twin sub-menus, offering easy-to-pair Bluetooth telephony, FM and DAB radio, as well as built-in sat-nav that can be displayed on both screens at the same time. There are other vehicle settings on offer with convenience of wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. Whilst Help You Park, there's a rear-view camera with wide-angle lens fully supported by front and rear sensors. A host of active safety systems are also on offer for the vehicle, and selectable drive modes will opt for efficiency or a sportier drive. Multicolor ambient lighting will also stand out at night, and for the music fans there is an adjustable speaker sound system with ChatGPT functionality. 2-zone climate control features heated front seats, and below you'll find a wireless induction charger with overhead controls for the sunshade blind and the electric sunroof. This has been a presentation of the brand new Volkswagen Golf Hatch R that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.